I do not have any problem, but the thing that it should be homogeneous for each. I think it should be notified to all of them.
It's notified, sir. And last class also we have told clearly that everyone should be there, sir.
And
Yes.
at least whoever will be presenting, he should mention contribution of each person in a slide form.
That they need to, that maybe he will go
Okay.
ahead and tell them. But anyways, everyone should be there, because otherwise, how will we evaluate them? It's a joint project, and we need to evaluate everyone. No? Everyone will have some marks.
It seems that they have to be
Basically,
prepared different.
yeah, they have to be. And because we are going to grade them based on today's presentation, sir. Last presentation also we have, because this will have some what we have told like 20% of weightage in total project. So this presentation will have 20% weightage.
Okay.
So yeah, Nikhil, are you ready? Amitesh. Amitesh.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So where is Nikhil? He was there. He is not able to hear. Are you ready? You can start.
Sir, Nikhil sir will continue, sir.
Okay. And where is Kunal Kumar?
Yes, sir. I have called right now. Kunal sir, he is just joining, sir.
He's just joining, huh?
Yes, sir. I have said.
So let Nikhil start. I don't know why he's not able to hear. So Ravi Shankar Kumar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So Ravi Shankar, are you ready with your project topic? Who is your partner?
Sir, my group partner is Mr. Yes Khandelwal and me and one more, sir, Dhananjay Kumar. And sir, Yes Khandelwal and Dhananjay have talked with you, sir, about my project, sir. Yes, sir.
So it seems you guys are still not ready with your project.
Yes, sir. Actually, we had one topic, sir, but we don't have any kind of data, so we are unable to proceed with that project.
No issue. We'll discuss that. We'll discuss that. Harshit, you can start now. Your group can start. I think your other partner has joined.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, please start.
Good evening.
1 second, sir.
And meanwhile, actually, Nikhil's group can coordinate. I don't know why Nikhil is not able to hear us. He's going to present. So please, Kunal or who is there, other one, Amitesh, please talk to Nikhil and sort it out.
Sir, my screen is visible.
Yep.
So, good evening, sir. Me and my partner, V. Pratap Singh, are going to present the project that we have taken. As we discussed in previous discussions also, this is a project for the leakage reduction in tandem master cylinder that we face in the at the customer end, that is Bosch. The aluminium casting that we are making uh, due undergoes certain leakage tests at high pressures, 150 bar. At that time, we have observed some leakages. So this is the project charter that I have prepared. Purpose is to reduce the leakage incident for TMC casting. Um, the schedule and milestones that we have set. Uh, the initial 3 points have been done.
Why the
Trial conduction.
okay? Just I have one question. Why the fonts and are so much? I mean, it's almost invisible in your slides. Can you not
Are they
make
very
it?
small? Are they too small?
I mean, at least to me, it looks like that. Okay. Uh, or
I'll make the
as if
changes.
in one slide you have put many things. You not you could
Actually,
easily go to.
project charter. It was a one-pager report. That is why I did. Okay, I'll make the changes. Necessary changes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
So the problem definition was done. Primary analysis was done as to what are the conditions where these leakages can be occurred. So based on that, we have jot down 4 factors that are responsible, and using Taguchi method, we have set 9 experiments and giving 3 levels to each factor. Trial setup was done based on that, and trial conduction as I've just completed last week. That's why I was not able to join the last meeting, because on that day only the trials were being taken.
So you had 3 parameters, huh?
So 4 parameters and
Okay.
3 levels for each.
What are these parameters?
Let me show you, sir. This is the primary analysis that we have done, taken into account the shrinkage in the casting. And the parameters are pouring temperature, copper concentration, silicon concentration, and titanium concentration. Hello?
Yes, you can continue.
Yes. Let me first show you the first slide as to why we have taken this project. This is the month-wise leakage status for 14 months. Almost you can see the ppm level leakages that are there. They are fluctuating, not very stable or not very downwards trending. So we have taken the leakage this project so that we can reduce the leakage to 0. This is the component wise trend of what are the components that are showing the maximum leakages. This is the analysis, and this is the way ahead that we are going to do. DOE has been done. ANOVA we have to do after the compilation of the results of the trials. The trials have been taken. The further processing is being done, and I think in 4 to 5 days, I'll be able to compile the data, and then we can analyze it. That's all from my side. Hello.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know how you have decided this range of the 4 variables which you have taken.
These ranges, sir, we have decided on the tolerance band that we use now in the real-time manufacturing process. That we were not able to analyze, or we were not able to get the point that what are the combinations of the factor in which the defect is being generated. So we thought of um, uh, segregating them into 3 levels and then deciding the project. So these are all under the tolerance only, but extremely low, middle, and extremely high.
Where is the location of this plant?
What, sir?
I mean, I just want to know where is the location of the plant you are taking this trial.
Sir, Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, okay. So are you now located over there? Or
Yes.
somebody is giving you this data?
No, I am located here only. That's what I said in the last meeting. I was there in the plant only, and I was taking the trials. That's why I was not able to join.
Okay.
What will be the contribution of your team member?
Actually, physically, he was not. He may not be able to do the. But after I compile the data,
Yes.
contributing in analyzing and yes,
Yeah.
and deciding what will be the further that we have to do.
I mean, how you are going to measure the effect of this control factor?
Sir, these have been done. The casting that we have produced, 9 trials have been taken. For each trial, 120 castings are there of different models, and those will be analyzed under the radiography X-ray machine that we have, and we will be seeing if an internal defect is being generated in that casting. And in
That means,
radiography, as yes, sir.
okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
In radiography, we have different levels for knowing the defect. Level 1, level 2. That are the standard templates under the standard ASTM standard that we follow.
But
So
is
based
it?
on that, we'll be giving them the levels. Level 1, level 2. Level 1 being the best casting and level 8 being the worst casting. And that way we'll be able to analyze if it is there is a defect or not, and what is the severity of the defect, and then we will analyze what are the combination of the factors that are producing the worst casting and what are the factors that are producing the best casting. So based on that, we will implement that on this thing on the manufacturing lines. Of course, we will first conduct the one experiment will be conducted after we decide the parameters.
So, like, what will be the final objective? Like,
so the final objective, as I mentioned, we'll be analyzing the castings, and based on that, we'll be analyzing what are the defects or what is the level of the defect in that, which
so
can
basically, just
lead
you are
to.
trying to see the effect of these factors on the rejection. That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Defect
I
that can
got
lead to
some
leakage.
points.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I just want to know, see, whatever you are saying from this radiography, the level, that's going to
Yes,
be a little bit, qualitative.
yes, sir.
So, and I mean, you are going to have all this analysis, okay, machine learning, but the number of the data, how many numbers that you are going to produce, have you thought about that? How many? Is it going to be? I mean,
Yes, sir. It
so
will
you
be a.
please give us. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Please give us. I mean, detailed this DOE, right? What you are going to do? I mean, how many data that you are. That should be in a. I mean, in a table form. You give us the
Yes,
summary. That okay.
sir. The data points will be around 1440.
1440.
1440.
Okay.
And it will be in the tabular form. Yes, sir.
And what will be this? I mean, how many of them will be copper concentration effect? How many of them will involve silicon concentration? And this is titanium concentration.
Just show
What,
you the bills that it will be more clear, I think.
Yeah, I
One
think
second.
that will be.
Mhm. It's not getting opened. So actually, the data sheet is not getting opened. I'll tell you verbally only. Total 9 trials are there, and in each trial, we have a pouring certain level of pouring temperature, certain copper, certain silicon, and certain uh, titanium. So based on that, we will be for each trial there are 8 to 9 80 160 castings. For each trial 160 casting, those 160 casting will be having the same parameters for pouring temperature, copper, silicon, and titanium. So we'll be getting a good amount for each trial, and a good amount for analyzing each and every trial, and then we can compare each trial with each other.
I think you should make in a tabular form. Okay, so that
Yes.
picture will be clear in front of us. If you
Yes, sir. I
describe,
have.
okay, in the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
next presentation, please do that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
And last time we also asked, okay, also asked that in one slide or in 2 or 3 slides, you should write the contribution of each
Yes,
member. So have you done that?
I will mention that, sir. Actually, I was not there in the meeting last time. I'll mention that.
No, that means you did not get that information.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's the combination. Okay. Some
So that's all
combination
from my
gap.
side. If any other questions you'll be having. Hello.
Yes, Abhishankar, anything from your side? Any suggestion?
So he has not started modeling part. So I think,
Yes.
so do you have any plan to develop any sorts of model to see that effect of your input to output?
Sir, right now only I've just decided that I'll be working with using ANOVA and not any other. When the data is compiled, I'll be more clear as to with what model I can go ahead.
So ANOVA also, which tool you will be using to do that? Excel or some other software?
Some Minitab.
Minitab.
Yes.
So Minitab actually it will do things automatically. You should have.
I can also do in Excel because Minitab will be too easy. If I'll just put the data and it will get. I can also do in the Excel also, if possible.
So see, this is a project. So I think whatever you have learned from this analytics class, you have to implement it. It's not only ANOVA and just
Yes,
do
sir.
the stuff. I think it is good to see exactly how, because whatever you have learned, you have to implement it, and that is the motto of this whole project actually.
Yes, sir. So once I compile the data, I'll be more clear. It will be done in sir maximum 1 week.
Okay. Yeah. Let us know exactly what is your plan.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Once you have,
yeah,
yeah,
correct.
once
Actually,
you
what
have
Abhishek is
data,
saying. Yeah. So correct. So sorry, Abhishek. So what he's saying, in line with that, what you can do, the other partner can take up, what analytics part he has learned from here, that also you can, implement there. Maybe some sort of predictive modeling, so
Okay,
maybe or some prescriptive modeling for you here, so that you will not get a defect which you are getting. That thing you can try. Correct, Abhishek?
yes, sir. I'll do that.
yeah, you have to do this actually.
So maybe in a day or two, I'll make all the changes that the faculties have suggested, and I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
So then next maybe Nikhil you can take.
हेलो, मेरे को मैसेज आया.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Hello.
Nikhil, yes, please.
Yeah. So, sorry, sir. Sorry for delay. Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So
By the way, this NIFT logo is going to change. Maybe you may have seen on our institute website. The new logo has come now.
Excuse me. Is it Furan based process or what is that?
yeah, Furan based.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So,
Alright.
so I will give you a brief about our topic. So, which is like we want what is our whole objective is not to reduce or increase the consumption of catalyst, is to optimize the consumption of catalyst that based upon our variables, like to fix our variables and to know when our variables are changing, then how to catalyst percentage and amount of catalyst acid in the catalyst has to be respond to that. Means like if our temperature is increasing, means heat is increasing, so our bench life start reducing, we get reaction faster. But in case our temperature reduces, our bench life increases, reaction time increases, so at that time we face problem to what to set the catalyst percentage actually. So we want to optimize the catalyst percentage, and that too with the help with the taking parallelly type of catalyst, that slow catalyst, fast catalyst, medium catalyst, that is all like acid percentage. If we have less acid percentage, it's a slow catalyst. More acid percentage, that's fast catalyst. So we have to optimize that by locking variables temperature and humidity. So we'll start. So this is what a brief about our process. Now we are using for a binder catalyst system. This is a binder catalyst system. This is a two-based system, means new sand, reclaimed sand, resin and catalyst. New sand we are adding 5% and reclaimed sand 95%, resin 1%, catalyst 40% of the resin, that too from 30 to 40. Okay. Mold or core weight we have 20 to 30 tons of molten core weight. So now type of catalyst. As I told you earlier, we have three types of catalyst: slow catalyst, medium catalyst, and fast catalyst. 20% acid if it contains its slow catalyst, and fast catalyst has 60% of the acid percentage. Slow catalyst is mainly used for summer season. But what happens if in a summer season you have a rainy day or a cold day, then you have to increase your catalyst percentage, or either you have to change the type of catalyst. You have to like if you are running with slow catalyst, you have to switch to medium catalyst. That is becoming a problem. Like you will that system will not respond automatically. Like you will be understanding that by after some time, like 1 hour, 2 hour. But in between that, if you made some mold or core, the chance of rejection is there. It might get rejected due to slow setting, less bench life, more bench life. Because as I mentioned earlier, our mold has 30 tons of weight. So for that 30 tons, we need 30 minutes to fill that mold, 25 to 30 minutes. So what happens if we get bench life lower than 7 minutes? So what happens? The setting will start faster, then layer will form between the mold. Layer formation can happen there. So catalyst percentage, we have to lock that. Now here I mentioned about the mold core weights and bench life, how much we want, and bench life is depends upon the catalyst percentage and the type of the catalyst.
Your slides are not changing. We are on second slide right now.
No, sir, I am on fourth slide.
No. You can say
It's
second
not
slide.
moving.
Okay.
It's
You have
still
not
in
shared the.
Put it in slideshow. Put it in slideshow.
Sir, is it coming now?
No, you need to share the other file. You have shared the maybe which one is open. So there right now you can see. Maybe you need to close sharing and you need to share the file which you are in presentation mode.
Okay.
Like that.
I will change it.
So you do manually here.
So is it visible now? Hello.
Sir, visible.
But it's not in presentation mode. It's
Now now is it visible?
It's visible,
Make
but
it
not
in
in
a
the presentation mode. Yeah, it's
Okay.
Make it presentation mode so that fonts will be looking bigger.
So I'm trying to do it, but I don't know why it's not showing to you.
What you do, just
Sir,
stop
I'm doing it, but it's
for this
not.
presentation and share the non-presentation. Just stop sharing and first you put it in presentation mode, and when you go for sharing, you will see two icons. One is the presentation which is open, and second is in the presentation mode. So
Okay,
yeah, that you can do if you want, or you continue from here only.
Yes, sir. Done. Now it's visible.
Yes.
Okay. So we were at this slide, second slide, where I told you about the new sand percentage, reclaimed sand percentage, resin percentage, and catalyst percentage, and basic overview of our furan-based system and mold core weights. Here are the new sand plus resin, new sand plus reclaimed sand, that to add with resin, and then slow catalyst, medium catalyst, fast catalyst. These are three types of catalyst we are using. So what happens? What I told you, what I want to say, like when our temperature increases, so we need to use slow catalyst at that time. But when our temperature decreases or humidity increases, we need to use fast catalyst. And also sometimes we are using slow plus fast, medium plus fast. So basically what we are trying to do is managing the acid percentage, because in these three types of catalyst we are having a difference of acid percentage only. So what we are doing is trying to manage the acid percentage, which is depending upon the temperature and humidity. For that, we have collected some of the data, like from past 1.5 year of data, like how is changing with the temperature, humidity, how catalyst percentage is changing, and how much bench life we are getting at that time. And that too, catalyst percentage with our type of catalyst is there. So this is our current yes sir, this is our current situation. If sand temperature is hot, as in summers or daytime, we need to add slow catalyst to reduce the reaction speed or increase reaction time. But same can happen at night. It can change. We need to add from slow catalyst to medium catalyst.
So how do you measure this bench life time?
So we have a stopwatch and we take sample system is there.
Okay, how do you do? Can you explain?
So we take sample from the mixer. We take sample from the mixer and we put it in a place. So at that we have a stopwatch. So after that, when you after like when reaction starts, it getting solidify on the surface. First of all, the surface which is in contact with the atmosphere, with the outer surface, get reaction start reactions. So at that time we come to know about the bench life.
So the process, molding process here is like automatic or it's manual? Manual, no?
Yeah,
so
manual.
Manual molding. What is the part size? Like what will your box size?
Yeah, part size
box size.
Yeah, 15 to 20 tons. Windmill casting.
Okay.
Windmill castings. And mold core weight is 20 to 30 tons.
Okay. So 6 to 7 minutes is enough, huh? Bench life? Yeah,
6 to 7 minutes is enough. 6 to 7 minutes. Yeah, 6 to 7 minutes is ideal. Yeah, ideal we can say, but not less than 6. But it can go up to like 8 minutes, 9 minutes is sufficient. Because when bench life increases, if we are getting more bench life, the reaction time obviously at the time of movement of mold, because we have an automatic line to move. For moving that we have automatic line. So what happens? We have to put mold in a stable position for a long time. If we will move it, then there is a chance of layer formation at that time also. Like sand can slip off from the pattern because strip coat is there. So 6 to 7 minutes is enough.
So molding line is automatic, huh?
Yeah, movement line is automatic. Yeah, mixer is there. Ramming is manual. But other molding line is automatic.
Okay.
Manual ramming is there.
What is the lead time for preparing one box to make the one mold box?
Sir, its lead time is actually you can say it take when box came, it take almost 1.5 hours from preparation to mold making to shifting it to the stripping another station. There are 8-9 stations like a molding station, curing station, stripping station. So lead time is 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Huh?
1.5 hours to 2 hours, depend on the mold size. Yeah.
2 hours.
So, sir, our variables. Now we'll focus on my variables and what we have to lot. Atmosphere temperature, that is varying up to 26 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Humidity 35 to 80%. Sand temperature 30 to 38 degrees Celsius, because we have a gate locking system after 38 degrees Celsius. Sand will not pass if it is more than 30 degrees Celsius. Type of catalyst, slow, medium, fast. Catalyst percentage we are managing with 30 to 40% of resin catalyst, resin addition. Bench life, now we are getting 4 to 7 minutes, less more than that. So now our whole idea is to build a system on the basis of previous study and data that decide how much acid is required. Now catalyst is basically, we are not locking the catalyst, we are dealing it here with the acid percentage which we have to lock, which we want to maintain acid percentage. So our inputs will be humidity.
Yeah, can you go back to your previous slide?
Yes, sir. This one?
No, next one. objective of
Yes,
this
sir.
study.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, just wait. So, how do you provide this suitable bench life?
So see,
So, what is
our
this?
what is my whole idea behind this means what I thought before putting this project, that now what we are doing, we have a resin kettle, a resin barrel, like the syntax tank, a syntax and catalyst, single. So what we are doing, we are supplying to the mixer from like that resin syntax and from that catalyst syntax. That is single syntax is there, catalyst. Uh, Either we put slow in that syntax tank or medium or fast. That depends upon, I told you earlier, on the bench life. How much bench life we are getting, we add on the catalyst according to that process. So what my whole idea is behind this, like we have to put two syntax tanks. Okay, so one there will be slow, extreme slow, and one syntax tank there will be extreme fast catalyst, and then different motor will be fitted to that, and according to our bench life or sand temperature, humidity we are getting, so it will adjust the percentage of slow and fast, and try to make it to the level of like 6 to 7 minute bench life. Try to convert it to that, and that too we will put by our previous data only, like we have for that.
So, basically, you are controlling flow rate, it seems, to
Yeah,
make
flow rate.
sure
Yeah,
that
you can. Yes, sir. Yes, the flow rate only we are locking the flow rate system. That too by providing slow and fast both. Like sometime it will go slow more, fast less, fast more slow. So like that.
So why not then you have considered flow rate also as a variable here? Because we know from reaction kinetics or reaction engineering that flow rates, the reaction depend upon flow rates actually. So why not you make that as also a variable here?
So see flow rate. Okay, you are talking. Okay, so flow rate. If we are adding, catalyst percentage 40%. If suppose we have a system of, I have to get 100 kg of sand. In that, I will be requiring 1 kg of resin, and for that 40%, I will be requiring 0.4 kg of that catalyst. So our sand is the system. Sand is the process by which this catalyst is locked. So flow rate will be same. We need 0.4 kg of catalyst. Then it comes like in that 0.4 kg of catalyst, how much slow is required, how much fast is required, but that 0.4 is fixed.
Yeah, amount correct. Actually, amount is fixed. That's why I'm saying amount is
Yeah.
fixed. But how do you
Yes.
port that amount to the system? That's I am saying that considered as a variable. So that is the flow rate actually. Flow rate of catalyst actually. But anyway,
Okay, so
please go ahead.
yeah.
Actually, you think
Yeah. Okay, sir.
whatever you are, yeah, you just think about it and then.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will think on that. Then I will discuss with you. Actually,
So viscosity of the your catalyst is any parameter? Is it a parameter, or can you control that also?
sir, viscosity. So I discussed this with our supplier. I discussed it with the supplier because there's not much difference in the viscosity of that.
Not much difference. Huh?
No, not much. It is easily mixable.
Okay.
There's no. It's a homogeneous mixer.
Homogeneous mixture.
Yeah,
See, but
it comes out.
if
Yeah,
we have
yes.
some solvent, na, viscosity will actually, if viscosity, I mean amount of solvent they are using, that will actually change the viscosity, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo, you can.
Yes, sir. So our input will be humidity and sand temperature. Output, what we require is percentage of slow catalyst, percentage of fast catalyst, and that too with our bench life is 6 to 7 minutes. This is some of the data which we have, which we get, which we are using. Just some of the data it is. So here we have this AFS number finds of this. These are the sand parameters. AFS number finds LOI. Then comes our sand temperature, humidity, catalyst percentage. What I have done here is I converted catalyst percentage and acid percentage to a number. Like I combined them because finally I need acid percentage. How much acid is going? So catalyst percentage is 30. So acid percentage is 40. Means 40% of acid we have used at that time. So that thing, and also bench.
So what will be the volume of data in total? How much data you are going to take?
So there are 780 values.
780 values, and for a period of like what will be the 1 year data?
Sir,
or
yeah, 1.5 year.
1.5 year data.
Yes, sir.
See the base. I think you could have given everything in a just first in a process flow chart. Okay, that would instead of giving so many description. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I mean that would have given a better picture. That picture would have given a clear idea. Okay, and okay, and you just look into that viscosity and temperature. Okay, because you are I mean they will have some interrelations, right? Viscosity is dependent on temperature.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
I mean how many parameters you are actually boiling down to how many numbers, that you please look into. It seems to me that
Yes, sir.
whether you have taken all the controlling parameters or not, that okay, because many times we miss this thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So basically, finally, you are going to build some model which will predict, okay, if what is the humidity, if what some humidity there, and if some temperature is there, then what should be the percentage at least you need to take.
Acid,
Correct.
acid percentage to go for this optimized bench life.
Correct. So any modeling you have not done so far, formulation you have not done, problem you have not formulated. Correct.
some of we have done, but haven't shown here, but not completed fully.
Just give us an idea, what kind of formulation you are going to have, so that we can give some suggestion on that.
So for this we are going to use this anaconda model, and that too is going to be taken care by Amitesh. So I think he can more explain to you. Is Amitesh is available?
So what's his contribution also, that also you need to tell, no? So he's working in your company only, or he's in some different organization?
Amitesh is going to
different organization, sir. Yes, sir.
So Amitesh is going to do analytics part, correct?
Yeah, he's going to. Yeah, you can say that he's going to do that part. I will be guiding him. He's going to do that.
So another member will do?
So he has done data mapping. Yeah, Kunal Kumar and Amitesh both are doing for this data mapping and analytics part. I'm just guiding them that what are the factors you have to consider, what is the whole idea about the project, and what we are going to do, what we have to deliver it. Yeah, what are the factors which we should taken care of.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So modeling part you people have not started it. So only data collection.
Sir, we have started, but not fully completed, and haven't shown here. I don't.
You present your progress next time. I mean, how much you are proceeding, okay, with this, your data modeling, all these things. Okay.
So
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think, shall we take others, sir? Ravishankar.
Hello? Yes, yes. Please continue.
Okay, no problem. Just go ahead.
Which Ravishankar, anything from your end? You want to share something?
Sorry, sir, because I don't have any kind of information on our project, so we cannot present today anything, sir.
Who is
But
in your group, Ravishankar?
yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Your group? Who else is there in your group?
Sir, yes, Khandelwal and Dhananjay Kumar, sir.
Ravishankar, Yash and Dhananjay. और आपको
Yes,
पता
sir.
नहीं है क्या टॉपिक है? Anything, nothing, you don't.
ये सर टॉपिक के बारे में पता था सर कि टॉपिक मुझे इस टॉपिक पे काम करना है, बट जो मेन जो कंपनी में वर्क कर रहे हैं सर, तो उनसे हम लोगों का कोई डायरेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन है नहीं सर, तो फिर जिस कारण से हो नहीं पा रहा है सर. यस सर.
So then, how you people going to complete this project?
Sir, so sir, last day we had a discussion with Khandelwal sir. Then he told to look forward about the project and like this, sir.
No, what look forward? I told first thing you actually when you guys were sleeping. It seems you are saying at the last moment that you don't have a data. When you are not able to get data, you thought there is some project, you are not able to data. You are saying that you thought that you have one more person in your group and he was coordinating for the data. And now when we schedule this, now you approach him and you told that okay, he is no longer working in your group, he is in some other group. Basically, it's your problem. Basically, you need to decide it earlier. Basically, what project you are going to do, how you are going to do. Correct. So
Yes, sir.
now, what is the solution? Is like okay, if you are not getting data from that particular project, you come up with some other project. That's why I have given 1 day extra. Since we had this presentation last week Friday, after that also now it's 5 days. So in 5 days,
Yes,
you have discussed along with other group member and you should have decided.
Sir,
like,
yes, sir. This problem occurred, sir. I tried many times to discuss with my members, but they have not responded at all, sir. That's why we could not do anything. I
So
tried
why
with
you
Dhananjay
then
Kumar and
why you have
Khandelwal
not
also.
done it actually? So they are not doing it. Then why you have not done? You have to take
Sir,
initiative. You have to coordinate with coordinators. You have to inform same thing to Himanshu.
Sir, yes, sir, exactly, sir. I wanted to do the same, but actually, sir, 2 or 3 months before we had a discussion for our project work, sir. But that time, unfortunately, my mobile was broken down, so I could not attend that meeting, sir. So we could not. I could not understand what is the real problem we are working on. So yes, Khandelwal was knowing all the problems. So I told them to do all these things, like talk to Avishankar sir, like you and Khandelwal sir, but he did not responded me actually.
I have received a call only on I think Sunday morning. I have received a call from Yash. Before that, I didn't know anything about that. कि अगर आप लोगों के पास टॉपिक नहीं है तो you asked us ना that we don't have, please guide us to get some topic. Or I mean, like there was 2 reminders to submit the presentation initial when we had 2 time presentations. After that, we have given one deadline where everyone need to present submit some pitch kind of presentation. So that also you have not submitted. So now what I suggest you guys discuss with you, okay, and
Yes, sir.
you discuss, and if you don't have some problem or you are facing some problem, please communicate to us so that we can help you. Okay.
Sure, sir. I will do, sir.
Yeah. I think, sir, this is it. These are the, I think right now only 7 group members are working on the project, and 1 group member, they don't have anything right now in their hand. And I don't know about the Abhinash Kumar and Ashish Kumar Gupta. If someone know him, I don't know, they can update me. So, hello. So I think that's it. I think no one else is there to present right now. So just all of you who are here right now, for them, what we want to say is like, okay, we are here. You guys are working some problem. You based on, you guys have access to data, and problem is there. You can come up with the problem solution to us, and we are here to help you. You can, like, yesterday's not yesterday, the Friday, Satyendra has presented something. Then he has got some feedback, like what else he can do with the data. And right now also, like, what we feel like this leakage reduction problem, what Harshit has presented right now. Okay, so what extra thing he can do? So you guys can come up and discuss with us. We are here, myself, Abhishankar, and Dr. Siddharth. And if any help is needed, you can just let us know. But you need to implement the knowledge which you have got from this course, because simple ANOVA kind of problem will not work. This is what I feel, because ANOVA kind of problem, even for MTech also, it was not working. And now you are doing some professional course, that too by learning all sort of this process. So, and you have now access to data also, real life problem. So problem need to be formulated accordingly. So any suggestion from sir?
Let them have some project at least.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yes.
Once they jump into water only, then they will learn swimming. Otherwise, how can they learn?
Correct.
And let them dig out with this data and all these things. At least something that they have to come up with.
Abhishankar.
Yeah, let them come up, Himanshu.
Sure.
So if you are not getting data from industry, why not you try it with open source available online? You can also see if you can get some manufacturing data online, you can try to understand problem and solve it. That's also a good idea. Instead of waiting for data from company, you can start thinking using some open source data, and why not you implement it. So whole idea is to just learn exactly whatever you have learned through that course. How to develop, how to analyze data, how to develop a model. All those things you have to do actually. Those who have data, they are doing something. Those who does not have data, they are not getting it from any industry, real-time data. So why not you go and just check some open source? You can check with Kaggle. I think they have lots of manufacturing data.
Okay, sir.
Whole idea is to just teach you, or you have to do some sorts of analysis, come up with a methodology to analyze data, to visualize data, get some idea from the data, understand process, all those things. Okay.
See, if you start doing the analysis with the data, then only will be getting the feeling about how it is behaving and all this, right? Otherwise, how do you know?
So Himanshu, when we are going to have in the same examination for this data analysis course?
I have just now posted one tentative schedule, but this is just tentative. The advanced machine learning course we may shift to Sunday. So that is on 11. That is on 18th, maybe 18th we can have, because we need more time for that. No, and
Okay.
other two we can have before that also.
So I am just telling whoever are present now, just I am telling you have to practice all the case study, whatever we had it in class. Also, whatever theory we have covered, you have to go through all those theory. So you have to develop some sorts of model. I don't know what you are going to do it in project. The way you are presenting here, I am not happy. But to pass this course, you should go through all case study, whatever we have discussed in class. Then only you are going to pass that course. And also you should know whatever we have learned theory, that also you should know it. Okay. Anyway, I will send a mail, state all this thing, whatever I informed, because I can see lots of people are not available here. But you people have to practice modeling thing. Okay. So exam is going to be open book. You can refer our PPT. You can refer the internet also. If you want to copy paste code, that also you can do. Okay. So must prepare all this thing. Okay. Okay, Himanshu.
Okay, then.
Okay.
Thank you all.
All right.
Just announce exam date. Okay.
Yeah. So I have just now posted on WhatsApp group, tentative schedule. But again, this advanced machine learning is, we can schedule it on ITs.
Okay.
Okay. Good night. Good night all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you all.